Welcome to this episode of the Aspen Home Experience, where I show you the best that Aspen has to offer. Today, we're at the Villas of Aspen. Come with me. The Villas of Aspen has perfect access to Snowmass and downtown Aspen. This townhouse is on 3 levels with 3 bedrooms, all with their own ensuite. On the main entry level, a perfectly situated kitchen with an open living room. Thank you for joining me on this episode of the Aspen Home Experience. I hope you enjoyed the Villas of Aspen. As always, feel free to leave me a comment below. Let me know what you would like to see next in Aspen, Snowmass, or the Roaring Fork Valley. Be sure to like and subscribe. For my other videos, click here. See you next time.